Hello, I'm doing a nice pastel set today. I've already applied all my tips and done my prep and went in with a thin layer of clear acrylic on every nail. And I'm starting off with this pink acrylic. It's called Marshmallow. It's a really pale baby pink and it has some shimmer in it. And I'm doing a full nail of that on the index finger. Now I'm going over to the ring finger and I'm taking that same Marshmallow acrylic and I'm just applying that to the nail bed, and I'm just going to slant the edge a little bit. Now I'm just going to file and smooth that out and then clean up the edge, and then I'm going to apply some white acrylic to the edge of it and just do a line of that acrylic right along the edge of the pink. Now I'm using this acrylic. It is called Apple Shine. It's a mint green that has some shimmer to it. And I'm going to be doing a full nail of that on the rest of the nails and also filling in the rest of that ring fingernail. Now I'm going back to the index finger and I'm just smoothing out the nail a little bit, and then I'm taking this white lace trim that I have and I'm just going to measure that to the nail and just figure out what part of the print I want to use on the nail. And once I figure that out, I'm taking a clear gel top coat and I'm just going to apply that to the nail first, and then wrap the lace around the nail in place where I want it to be, and then hold it in place and cure it in the lamp. After that cures, the lace is stuck on the nail and I just cut off the excess. I leave a little bit extra on there around the edges. And then I just cap the lace in clear acrylic. Now I'm going over to the ring finger and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm applying a clear gel top coat to the green part of the nail, and then I'm taking my lace trim and wrapping that around the green part, and once I get it in place I cure it in the lamp and then cut off the excess and cap the nail in clear acrylic. Now I'm just going to take my drill and file off the excess lace from the edges of the nails. Now I'm just applying some builder gel to the middle fingernail, and then I have these crushed crystals from CJP, and I'm just going to sprinkle those all on that nail, and then I'm going to go in with my top coat on the rest of the nails and apply some Swarovski crystals. And this is the finished set. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.